This is the Cinnamon Hill Art Mark Tree doorbell. The Mark Tree is the bars that a drummer uses, and it was invented by Mark. I don't know his last name, but we made a doorbell that is actuated either by the push button that exists in a home or by a radio frequency signal from a new actuator that could be out in the front, or by pushing a button in the cabinet here. I'm going to lift it up, show the electronics. Here's the push button, and we have a choice here of 1 cycle or 2 cycle. I'm going to put it on 1 cycle. It's operated by a DC motor with an H bridge, which is right here. This is the microprocessor that controls the direction and stopping of the motor. Here's the radio frequency receiver and the relay. The relay that can take its voltage from the installed AC line. It works on 12 volts DC from a wall wart. So you can have 1 or 2 cycles. You can have the radio frequency on or off, and you can run the unit without the LED display. The 2 LEDs here on the top act as a night light. I'll run it one more time. It's working on radio frequency right now. And that was 1 cycle. There's an adjustment here in the front which can control the loudness of the chimes by pushing them closer to the bar or not, or further away to make it lower. The brass bar that runs on the rail is what activates the chimes. So here is another wacky, whimsical doorbell from Cinnamon Hill Art.